South Africa, the warm, sunny lands at the southernmost tip of the African continent. But this time, nature revealed an unexpected side. This rare snowstorm in Africa has left the region in shock. Why a rare and severe snowstorm paralyzed KwaZulu province in South Africa on Saturday, leaving thousands stranded and roads completely blocked. Traffic is completely gridlocked. People are stuck in their cars or on the side of the road, just waiting for the roads to clear so they can finally get home. It's so cold outside that the cars are completely covered in snow, but there are people inside. Although efforts were made to clear the roads, South Africa was not prepared for this at all. People had to wait next to their completely snow-covered vehicles. People have rushed to nearby cafes and stores in search of food. As night falls, things have gotten much worse. People are searching for shelter and warmth. At the same time, they want to reach their homes soon. They just want to sleep in their warm beds. They had to wait all night for the road to be cleared. Even as the next day arrived, people still had to wait in the same place. Despite the snow melting a bit with the sun coming out, people were still struggling to reach their homes. They continued to move slowly. Some people were trying to clear the path to their homes, but it was really difficult to do so. To get more updates like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.